Early 2025 sees the Galaxy S25 Ultra, Samsung's next major flagship, set to arrive on stores. Following one of the best Android phones on the market, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will have the difficult task of carefully applying changes to the current formula to recapture magic. Though the Galaxy S25 Ultra is still in early days, we already know roughly when the next Samsung phone will be unveiled. Based on past trends, we may make some reasonable approximations. So, what is the release date of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra? Unveiled on February 8, 2022, the Samsung Galaxy S22 series marks the replacement for the Galaxy S21 series. On February 25, 2022, the three phones were unveiled in Europe and the United States. Announced and introduced on February 1, 2023, during the Galaxy Unpacked in-person event, the Samsung Galaxy S23 series was released on February 17, 2023. Together, they replaced the Samsung Galaxy S22 series, which was replaced by the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Designed, developed, produced, and sold by Samsung Electronics under their flagship Galaxy S series, the Samsung Galaxy S24 is taken together. They replace the Galaxy S23 series. At Galaxy Unpacked, alongside Galaxy AI in San Jose, California, the phones were unveiled on January 17, 2024. The phones were thereafter available on January 31, 2024. The Galaxy S25 Ultra should be shown between January 15 and February 1, 2025. As we have seen in the past, Samsung's flagship series is sort of customarily unveiled around the beginning of the year. Usually 2 weeks after they are revealed, Samsung releases its new cell phones. Depending on when the phone comes out, the release date can quite naturally flow into February. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.